Hi, RKavanaugh here again with BISH'S RV in very sunny Junction City, Oregon. It's a beautiful day to come out and look at a motorhome. Today I'd like to show you this brand new 2022 Winnebago. It's the floor plan is the 31B. It's one of my favorite floor plans. It's just a great motorhome for all sizes. It's great for small families, big families. If you plan on traveling, going long distance, it's got a great tailgate package. Let's go have a look at that. You got a nice integrated 32-inch TV here. Lots of fun. Watch football games, whatever. You get lots of storage, surprisingly, because this one also has the outdoor kitchen, but you still have lots of storage compartments here. So no issues with that. Look at this, a great outdoor kitchen. And what I really like about this one is you already have a built-in roof right here. So if it does happen to rain, or it provides a little bit of shade, it's nice to have this. And if you notice, I'm about 5'10", so this is nice and tall, right? You're not hitting your head up against this. I've seen some models where the door is too low. This one's nice and high and out of the way. Good storage here. Of course, this is my favorite aspect of it, is just having a sink here outdoors. I don't know how many times when I'm out camping and I need to wash my hands or wash my face real quick or something, clean something, and I have to go inside the RV to go do that. Here, it's right here. Also have a nice size refrigerator for your cold ones. I really like this too. You got some workspace. And of course you have some storage throughout. And this is pretty cool. A nice looking LED light here, which will, you also have a light down here as well, but this LED light is for nighttime. It provides some really cool ambiance. If you notice, you also have some outdoor speakers. So this is a really cool tailgate package or just a camping package. Let's have a look on the inside. Again, this is a Winnebago Sunstar 31B. So it has this bunk, a drop-down bunk. Obviously, you don't really use this when you're driving, but once you're camped, this is a great bed for kids or guests. And look how fast it goes up. That may not be lightning fast, but for a motorhome, that is actually very fast. So really nice features. Of course, this being a brand new motorhome, it's on the Ford chassis, and it's got a new Ford V8, what they dubbed the Godzilla. It replaces the Triton V10, so this one has better fuel economy and more power. You also have a nice desk on the passenger side, so very convenient there. I love the viewing angle here. You got basically 180 degrees of viewing, so great opportunity to sit up there when driving and seeing part of America. I really like this too. As we move back, this dinette, this is an extra large dinette table. I really like that. And then you have a 40-inch TV here up against this nice sofa. It's an extra comfortable sofa, which of course breaks down into a bed as well. And I just love the viewing angle. You sit here, you get to enjoy a football game or a movie or something after you've been outside all day. Very relaxing. You also have some cup holders here. Very convenient. As we move back, you've got a lot of counter space here, and you have some really decent storage, and I really like this feature. You got a nice slide out here in the pantry area. More storage here. You got a microwave convection oven here, and then you have a gas stove. And I really like having these toppers here. That way you can do some extra work with the somewhat limited counter space that you do have. Lots of storage down here. I really like this. Your control panel, everything you need to do is right here. You're not fumbling looking for where all the switches are. It's nice to have everything in one central location. What's really nice is this motorhome already has a built-in solar panel, and this is the solar controller. So you don't have to worry about your house batteries running out of battery power. Nice size refrigerator, stainless steel, very convenient. Lots of pantry storage again here. These are very deep storage compartments. Really nice. And then as we move back, you have your bathroom, which is a pass-through. Very convenient in that respect. It goes straight into the bedroom. And of course, glass doors for the shower. Most people tend to like that. This is a bunkhouse version, so if you've got kids, I don't think it gets any better than this. I mean, you've got a built-in movie theater, for crying out loud. This also doubles up as a hanging closet. You got 2 beds. You also have another DVD player down here as well. So if you have kids, this is great because this will keep them entertained for hours. As we move into the bedroom, you have a very nice queen-size bed here with a nice headrest with lights, lots of cubby spaces here for your electronics or books or whatever. Very nice. This is a nice little walk-around area. Lots of storage. You also have lots of storage on this side. This wardrobe is pretty deep, and it's lighted. It's also got a hanging closet. It's basically a hanging closet. Your dressers are down here. You got a little bit of table space here, and then a nice 24-inch TV here, which actually doubles up as a storage area as well. Very deep. This is where you keep all your cash. Anyway, very nice. You have 2 air conditioners on this unit. Again, it's a brand new 2022 Winnebago Sunstar 31B as in boy. I just love this floor plan. It really checks all the blocks. It's a very nice motorhome. Again, my name's RKavanaugh. I would love to show this motorhome for you. Take it out for a test drive. You'll see what I'm saying. It really checks all the blocks. Have a great day.